Hey y'all, it's Lananh here, and today we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like, I'm currently using an iPhone 8 Plus right now, and I actually kept my phone for like an extra year just because I really wanted to keep the button, and I don't know, I just really liked how the gold color was, so I just kept my phone for another year. But now I feel like after 3 years it's time for a new phone. This is what it looks like, and I really like the black box. Like, it looks so sleek and cute. Alright, so I got the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the gold color with 128 gigabyte or gig or whatever you call it. I feel like that's way more than enough than what I need, so I just got the lowest one. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look. Okay, it's not as like yellow gold as I thought it would be. I was thinking about getting the silver one just because it has like the white this part. But I decided to just get gold. This is what it looks like, and like, look how reflective this gold is. And then the camera. This is definitely like a huge upgrade for me anyways, because like the iPhone 8 only had one camera, and so now I have three. And like, I really love taking pictures, like especially when I travel, and like I try to like make it all cute and stuff. I'm definitely like happy for better quality pictures, and like, you know, if you haven't followed my Instagram, then like, you know, let me, should I peel the back first? Wait, that is the back. It's like very reflective on the edge, and then like the middle part, or this part, is actually like a matte finish, and I actually really like it. Yeah, so it's definitely a little bit more gold than my other phone. Like the iPhone 8 Plus, the gold was actually more like rose gold. Can kind of see the difference. Oh my gosh. Like, this is literally such a huge screen. Like, look how big this screen is compared to my iPhone 8 Plus screen. Like, I'm pretty sure they're the same size. Yeah, they're pretty much the same size. So that was the phone, and then now the other stuff that came with it, that obviously took away like the earphones, which I don't mind because I never used their headphones anyways. I always use the AirPods. So it comes with the cord, and just the cord only, and I heard that it was like a different shape. Okay, if they're not gonna give us a block, then like, why did they go and change the whole USB cord? Like, I don't have the block for it, so I'm gonna have to go buy one, unfortunately, because my charging block for the 8 Plus is not gonna fit because this is not a USB cable. This is future me editing this video, and I don't know, I just sounded so dumb trying to like explain that I needed to get a new charging block for this new cable, but my old iPhone charger, like, it still works with this phone, so I actually don't need to get a new charging block. See, we could have prevented all of this if they just included the charging box with it, with this new charger. You know what I'm saying? But whatever. The other thing is just this, you know, the sticker, and then like the pin for your SIMs card, I think. It was funny because like whenever I went to the Apple store, I asked the lady, I was like, so do I just switch SIMs and then my phone would like automatically work? She was like, no, as soon as you turn your phone on, like my other phone would be deactivated. And I'm like, oh, that's cool. My phone carrier is AT&T, and they had an option to like pre-order your phone through AT&T, so that's what I did. So I think they like already went ahead and like set all that stuff up for me, and so all I have to do is turn my phone on, and then hopefully all my stuff would like switch over. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I just sat y'all on the corner of my bed and we're gonna set this phone up together. I think there's supposed to be a way where like your phone can just connect to each other. So it's just asking me some basic information, so. Okay, now it's saying it. It's like, it shows up on my phone. So just set up new iPhone. Okay, so now it's just activating and it's just saying to confirm my phone number. Okay, so this is some private information I gotta fill out. So Face ID, no, literally, so I never had, well, I don't think the iPhone 8 Plus does this, but I didn't have Face ID for my old iPhone. So now this is the first time I'm doing Face ID. Woo! They just asked me if I wanted to transfer all my data from here to my new iPhone, and I just went ahead and said yes, even though I have like a lot of things that I low-key don't need, but I can always delete it later. I'm like so scared to use it though because I didn't buy a phone case or anything yet. Like I also just really like the clear iPhone cases because I bought the gold and I want to like be able to see my phone color. 28 minutes to transfer my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna have to go buy a new charging box because my iPhone 8 charger is the USB one, and then the new one apparently is like it's a USB-C to lightning cable. So it doesn't have the same plug-in situation. So all right, so it's been 30 minutes later and my phone finally like done like switching over, and so now you can like tell like all the stuff that was on this iPhone is now transferred to this iPhone. The only thing that didn't like download is the widgets that I added, so I don't mind like redoing all that. You can see the screen comparison, it's like so much bigger. And yeah, I'm excited. Alright, so that was it for the unboxing video. So I'm really happy that I did wait for the Pro Max versus just the regular Pro. If I'm gonna use this for another couple years, then I might as well just get like the newest one. Thank y'all for watching me unbox this new phone, and I hope y'all liked it. If you did, please make sure to like this video and then subscribe to this channel if you want to. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna make a video of me getting like some phone cases for my new phone because, you know, I need to protect it. I don't want to like break it. Like I'm literally so scared to use this phone just like how it is, but like it's so pretty that I kind of don't mind. I can't. All right, bye y'all.